In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get coupons on Alibaba. If you're an avid online shopper or looking to make business purchases on Alibaba, getting some extra savings is always a welcome advantage. So here's how you can snag those coupons and maximize your savings. To begin with, you'll want to head over to a specific website that can help you find these valuable discounts. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Picody. The easiest way to do this is by typing Picody Alibaba coupons into your search engine. Once you've arrived at the Picody website, you'll notice it's your gateway to an array of coupons and deals, not just for Alibaba, but for countless other stores as well. Upon arriving at Picody, simply use the search feature at the top of the page. Type in Alibaba to bring up the available coupon listings specifically for Alibaba. Here, you will find a list of current offers, such as discounts on products, deals on bulk purchases, or perhaps free shipping promotions. Do take a moment to scroll through the selections and choose the offer that best suits your needs. When you find a coupon that seems appealing, click on it to reveal more details. This will give you a better understanding of the terms and conditions associated with that particular coupon. It's important to keep in mind that some coupons might require a minimum purchase amount, or they may only be applicable on certain types of products. Be sure to read all the information thoroughly to ensure you can take full advantage of the deal. Once you've selected your desired coupon and understand its requirements, it's time to head over to Alibaba's official website to start shopping. Add the products you wish to purchase to your cart. At checkout, you'll need to enter the coupon code you obtained from Picody. There's typically a promo code box where you can paste or type the code. After applying the coupon, you should see your discount reflected in the order total. It's worth mentioning that some offers on Picody don't involve a specific code and may automatically apply the discount when you click through the link provided on the Picody site. Keep an eye out for those deals as they can save you a step in the checkout process. One last tip for maximizing your savings: make sure you check back frequently on Picody or other similar coupon websites for new offers. These sites are regularly updated with fresh deals, so staying vigilant can pay off with significant savings in the long run. And there you have it. You're now ready to save like a pro with Alibaba coupons. Enjoy your shopping, and happy saving!